Hi nail friends and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a dip powder nail design using totally dipped dip powders. So let's get right into the video. I'm using tips on my nails today because my nails broke. So let's pretend it's my natural nails, and I have a layer of gel base and gel top coat, and I also applied a layer of peel off base coat for easier removal. But if you want your nails to last longer, you should skip this step and then I wait for it to dry. Now I'm using Embossy, which is a very light pink dip powder with shimmer. So I'm just doing my basic dip application. I apply a thin layer of the Revel nail base and I dipped it into the dip powder. On the middle nail I missed a few areas, so I just did another layer one time on the nail and I just proceeded on to the other nails. I did 3 layers on each nail just to build the thickness and strength of the nails, so I'll let you guys watch and I'll be back shortly. So now I'm using my totally dipped clear dip powder and I encapsulated the nails with one layer. Encapsulation wasn't necessary because this dip powder is a solid color, but I just wanted to encapsulate the nails. Then I applied activator, waited for the nails to harden and then began filing. This is after filing of the nails, and now I'm applying my Model 1's gel top coat to the nails and I cured for 30 seconds. On the ring finger, I applied some Model 1's gel glue first. And then the gel top coat. And then I apply some of the mini crystals that I got in my Totally Dipp'd package. I realized the crystals weren't standing out as much as I'd like. It was blending into the nail, so I placed some iridescent rhinestones on the nail as well and cured for 30 seconds. Now, using my chrome powder, I just rub it into the middle nail. This was my first time using this chrome powder and I have had it for almost 3 years. The chrome looked so nice, I had to do it on my thumbnail as well. I actually wanted to do it on all of my nails, but I had to stop myself. If I had known it would have looked this good, I would have applied it to my ring finger before applying the rhinestones and the crystals. It might have looked way better, but it still looks good and I can't do anything about it now anyway. So I just placed gel top coat on the chromed nails and I cured for 30 seconds. Then I applied my cuticle oil to rehydrate my skin and nails, and this is the finished look. So if you like this video, you're going to want to check out my other videos on Dipp'd powder. Click the videos you see on the screen and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys!